Dirty Berry are here. Welcome to the Dirty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. Basically, I talk about all of the pictures, the vids, Instagram posts, and all them something there that did go viral during the week. So let's get right into it. Number 10 is a girl here with drop on her head. No man, that you call the original one drop. My girl body look like it make out of cement because she coulda not hard just boom flick and hard drop on that ground and just transition in a one nice split and a boom and a galang so. You tell me no. Oh, big up to all of the people that was went to drop and just a walk past same way. Number 9, Pastor sings about breast. So this artist when name, we can't really remember him name right now, but him sing a song a true word, but all that on a little gal with that church in a little shot of a short breast, leg and thigh. Take a look.
Some Christian lady a KFC slogan advertising I don't know why. Every time them come in at the church come pray them a show a breast leg and tie. Me a see here breast leg and tie. Come up here breast leg and tie.
The song Shell Lighter. Number 8, Granny Whining Contest. Now so the lady out cause she might hard be a granny, but that the waistline there a move like a newborn. She all a one drop. This granny all invent a new dance called the trampoline. Just a boom and a galang so. I dub her the Jamaican sugar mama. Number 7. Honestly people, me don't know them two brother yeah, did a fight for or over. I could over credit, dumpling, piece of skeleton, Wi-Fi password. I don't know. Box cover! Catch the granny already in another fight with a piece of butcher knife. Number 6, Miss Kitty robbed. People, nothing to sit my stomach more than people with teeth. The poor lady worked so hard for her things, only for 2 butter ears or whoever people come in and come rob the woman $200,000 what she left in her car. As the song say, you cannot hard keep a good man down. And in this case, you can't keep a nice fluffers down. Because the day after that, she get a nice brand new X6 show up to her workplace.
So the day with my big boss. Yeah.
No, no, we can't.
The day with my big boss.
No.
Miss Kim Bernard.
Hold on, no, kill
From
me.
Stuart's Automotive.
Wait, no. Get a bag, Tifa. Get a bag.
Yes.
You're wicked, you can't trick me. You can't.
Many a reason why you're kitty. So like when you get this new X6, you need to invest and put in your own personal fluffy diva Miss Kitty thief detector. So anytime the thief they're on about, it just act and say something like this.
The blood of Jesus is against you, sir. You, sir, is one sallybug. Who do wax them a farm P Street in your ears? Man like you can't get no woman, no time, no tall. But apart from that, any further attempts to enter the car will result in your arrest.
Number 5, Portia make Jeopardy to box foot. All the people out there, we never used to give Miss Portia Simpson our ratings. After shut up, you know.
Portia Simpson Miller, known as Sister P, is the first female prime minister of this Caribbean island nation. Derek.
West Jamaica.
Correct.
Miller's 800.
This Brit
Ray Portia international no. You can't stop I pump people in a cabinet. Number 4, the NCU cheerleader incident. So basically, Northern Caribbean University penalized a member of a cheerleading team because them said the performance was kind of promoting homosexuality. And just look and listen to how that nice Christian college pitting them did a behave. If you are not a nice, well-behaved, 7-day Adventist person, don't attend NCU. Simple as that. Number 3, get a girl them a fight over who stinker. Pre the video, yeah. Me no know who for yard her short Irish Spring, who for Roland Buckle her done, but them 2 women decide for come in the middle of the road in at the bright morning come cuss about who for zoom smell worse. During the fight, about 3 or 4 different baby mother come on the street with them pitney. It's like the them mating season did go on same time. People, yes, so the next time you're out and about and anybody want question if you build from morning or if you stink, And so, you must answer them. Number 2, 15 pitney all in a one taxi. So the video look like it come from country, and them pitney girl determined to go to school.
You good, bro? You good.
Manala life for the town pitney and start fall them a turn right back. Got an yard. No man, people pitney their front seat, back seat, side seat, top seat. The only place left for somebody go upon the roof. Number 1 goes to LisaVsBabsy goes to the parliament. Yeah. Yes, boy, I sound hungry. So Miss Babsy Grange just in the other top, and Miss Lisa Hannah just run right in our conversation, just so.
It just happened to have been under 2 different administrations. Now, that
Mr. Chairman, on a point of order, and I would, on a point of order, because I think it is important that any...
So at this point, the Ray in a Babsy well want pop out, you know, but poor girl, it have to try control it. Because she in a parliament and thing.
Mr. Chairman, will you ask that member to shut up and allow me to speak? No.
Shut up! No, Lisa, I'm going to take that on a weekday. People, alright, yes, the war turn up and start. So Miss Hannah fire back. So Lisa Anna just come in and use the one line, yeah, and shell down everything about the work.
Unfortunately, the member sometimes gets very erratic.
Don't be rude.
And the issue...
Mr. Chairman, he has to withdraw that.
Box cover! Who tell her to say that? Here, Babsy after.
She's being rude and feisty.
Then just when Olivia Babsy Granger get all fired up, Lisa Anna just come in and throw one other low blow.
I know you're holding up to be my mother, Babsy, but honestly...
You're too
Mr. Chairman.
So Babsy come in back with all them stylings there, but I've never... What is that?
I have never called their names. I've never said that she's incompetent. I've never said anything uncomplimentary. She must...
No, sir. Olivia want justice. So people tell me who would think win the cuss out in a parliament. Are you Team Lisa or Team Babsy Grange? Let me know right down there below.
So that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. Make sure that you like, you subscribe, you share and all them something there. Enjoy the Easter. Enough love, big up. And I'll see you around. Have a box cover day. I'm out.
La 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 la.